y'all, I'm back with another crochet video, and this time it is with box braids and it is with the blonde color. So happy new year, by the way, because this video is gonna go up on the new year or after the new year or whatever. And I'm really excited about this because they're blonde braids and I love this color at the end. I'm really excited about these blonde braids because if you're like me, you've never colored your hair before and you don't know if you're ever gonna color your actual hair. So I would never be able to rock blonde braids without parts of my black hair showing in between it. So I think this is really cool because you won't even, like, you definitely won't be able to see the black hair. It'll just be blonde braids all around my hair. So I think I'm gonna be serving some Beyonce looks this new year, okay? So we're gonna get right into this video, get right into the crochet. So we know how to do this by now. So I do wanna say that I don't know too many brands right now that are still doing crochet braids and in this type of style and color. So shout out to UrbanBeauty Hair once again for sending me this hair. And for those of you guys who want to know, this is their twice as real box braids in 18-inch, and the color, the gorgeous color, is in MT27/613. And guess what? We are going to be doing a giveaway on this hair. So it is a new year, but some things haven't changed from last year, and that means we're still going to be doing giveaways bigger and better. Okay, so 5 of you guys, as long as you're living in the United States, I know at one point we'll do international giveaways. I just don't know when it will be. But if you are a US resident, you have the chance to win this hair. Just make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and go to my Instagram to find out the details or read it in my description box. Hashtag Niece Corner X UrbanBeauty giveaway. You know what? Hashtag Niece Corner giveaway, and you will be able to enter the giveaway. So I'll have more of the rules on my Instagram or in my description box, so just check out for that. But let's get this tutorial started, shall we? Alright guys, so the holes on these braids are very small, so I'm not gonna lie, the crochet process might be a little difficult. So I'm using my makeup brush and basically I'm sticking the brush through the hole to make it bigger and wider, so when I crochet it onto my hair it'll be easier. I just did it like this, and as you can see, that opened up the hole as opposed to it looking like this. It opened up. Alright y'all, so I figured out the secret. And the secret to stretching the holes, of these braids is using some scissors, putting the scissors through the hole, and then stretching it like this. Stretching it as wide as possible. That way it'll make the hole a lot bigger and easier. Hey y'all, and I'm back as you can see, and here is the final look. I am in love, and I feel like I'm gonna have a lot more fun with blonde this year because it's just, I don't know, I just like change, and blonde I think kind of look good on you, girl. I don't know, I'm not sure. So what I think I really love a lot about this style is the fact that I didn't have to bleach my hair, and my hair's pretty long, so if I were to do this as regular box braids like I was saying earlier, you'd see it in the braids by now. So it kind of looks like my hair is blonde, and then obviously at the root you can see that it's dark, but looks like I kind of just dyed my hair blonde and then I just have dark roots, my hair's starting to grow out. So I'm loving this style, like completely in love. In my description box I'll have how many packages I used. So let me know if you guys like my first hair transformation of the year. There will be a lot more where that came from, so definitely be subscribed. And comment if you like this style, if you want to try this style out yourself, and if you're gonna enter into my giveaway. So by the time this video drops, I would have dropped my giveaway details on my Instagram, so go check that out. And then obviously follow me on Snapchat. That is where I kind of reveal like what style I've been working on or what style I'm gonna be wearing for that week or 2 weeks or maybe even a month. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year again. I feel like, guys, this is gonna be a great year. It's gonna be so joyful, so powerful, so amazing. I feel like we're all finding out our worth and our value, and now we're putting that pressure, we're applying that pressure in 2018. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.